Hello and welcome to Prego Coding Classes. This is Amber Roy and I'm starting a new series from today onwards. It will be of an app that would show informations that you want your users to see. This would be an informative app and I'll go step by step. So this video will contain the design and the layout of the app. So this app would look something like this that you are seeing on screen. This is the app. Now this is the login screen. When you hit the new user, it will go to the sign up screen. And if you are already registered, so hit already registered. Now when you give your email and password, it redirects you to the main program. That is the where the informations are shown, where the menus are given and drawn. So this is what we're going to do in this series. So let's get started. So as always, we'll create a new project and I would name it informative application version 1.0. Hit next. Lollipop is fine. Hit next. Empty activity. Now we would call it splash screen activity. Now in the app I've shown you, there is no splash screen, but we'll make a splash screen in this project. So our project has loaded and as you can see, this is just a basic layout with hello world text view in it. Now we need to design this app and we'll design it in Figma. And if you don't know what is Figma, please refer to my beginners tutorial. I have spoken about Figma in there. And if you're new to Unreal Studio, then to refer to my beginners tutorial first, then come back to this tutorial. So let's open Figma and we'll create a frame. Just draw it random, then select pixel 2. Okay. Let's give it a background color of this is fine. So let's draw a rectangle. Now I'm showing here how to make the header. So draw the rectangle a bit more. It's fine. Let's color this rectangle. So I'd color it. Yes, this is fine. Now we'll give it a curve in here. So how to do that? Select okay, I've selected the ellipse. Now let's draw a circle and just drag it up, drag it wide. Okay, now give it the same background as the background of the frame. So just copy paste the color, copy the color and paste it in the ellipse color. Okay, and this looks quite good. Now we'll write a text in here. So I need a login screen first. So write login and color, select the whole thing. Now color it. Nice. And then we'll choose the font. Now we'll use Trebuchet and give it size of 18. No, bigger size 36. 36 is fine. Now when you are done, click anywhere and drag this to the this is looking just fine. So this is the login screen. Now press, after selecting it, press Ctrl U and it underlines. Now I want to make it, should I make it bold? Let's check bold. Oh, I won't make it bold. Now let's keep it like this. And now this is the header, and we will code everything, the rest of the stuff, the edit text and the text view in the layout itself in Android Studios. So let's save it first. Let's first group the whole thing. Select login text, then press shift rectangle, so it selects the whole thing. Right click, group selection, and we would name this group login header. Make sure everything is in small cases. So export login header. I'll export it to desktop. The login header is done. Now change the login text to register, and in here change it to register. Drag it towards the left. This is fine, and we'll call it register header, and we'll export it again, register header. So let's work with this now. Let's close it, and in the drawable we're going to import the headers first. Paste it in the drawable. Okay. Once it is pasted, this is just the splash screen, so let's drag it up and we'll go to the text tab of this layout. Now we'll write, let's change the background also. So I need the color code, so I select the ellipse and select the color, copy. So I'll just paste it here, and this is the same color as the ellipse. So that's it. Now let's change this one to checking for logged in user, and the text color would be white. Now I want to assign a font, so let's create this font thing over here. So right click, resource directory, select font. Okay, so selecting the trebuchet. Okay, sorry, I accidentally opened it. Let's copy and paste it underneath the font. Fine. Now we need to create a font resource file. I would name it font. You can name it as you want. Now we need font. Write the same thing that I've shown in my previous video. So font style normal, font weight 500, font is trebuchet, and that's it. We're done. Now we need to call the font over here. So font family trebuchet, and we'll give it a style bold. So how does it look now? It looks good. Let's just increase the size to 18 sp. That's it. Now we need a progress bar, wrap content, wrap content. Let's constrain all the sides. Let's drag it up. That's it. Now that is done. We'll give it an ID. Okay, ID is already given, so modify this to text splash screen activity text status. I'll give the progress bar ID screen activity progress bar. Text view, no, not using the text view. So when the ID is changed, it was showing a red mark.